Hey everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. My name is Tanya with Mind, Body and Soul Company, and I make aromatherapy bath and beauty products. So today we are making a lavender soap, and I'm going to try to give it an ombre effect. So I have my oils ready here. I have the recipe down in the description box for anyone who would like to use it. I do also have some buttermilk powder in here that I added in. We're gonna go ahead and get our lye poured in along with some sodium lactate that's in it. There we go. And then I'm also going to go ahead and pour in our color because we're gonna use the same base color for the whole batch. And this is Purple Vibrance from Nurture. And then to get the ombre effect, we will just be adding in titanium dioxide as we go. So have that all in here. I'm gonna tap out any air bubbles and give it a quick blend. Just gonna set the stick blender off to the side here. I'm gonna scrape down the sides. There we go. That is looking good there. So now we're gonna go ahead and pour in our essential oil. This is Lavender 4042 from Wholesale Supplies Plus, as well as I have it mixed in with some kaolin clay. Go ahead and get that stirred in. I am a big fan of lavender year-round. I think it's such a relaxing essential oil. It does a lot to help you calm down at the end of the day and just kind of put you in a relaxed mood. It's also a great springtime scent. There. That looks good there. I think I got all the color scraped off. All right, so we're gonna get our first layer poured into the mold here. And these aren't gonna be like super precise layers, but I'm gonna do about that much. I'm gonna give this a tap down. So our darker color is gonna be on the bottom here. And then things aren't gonna be flat layers, so I'm just gonna give it a little texture. There we go. And then we will put our mold back to the side. Now we're gonna add in some titanium dioxide for the next layer. And we're gonna start off with just whisking it in and see how well we can get it incorporated. I probably will have to blend it some, but I do want to blend it as little as possible at this point because it's just going to keep getting thicker on me. So we're going to get our mold back up here. See how pourable this is going to be at this point. I feel like it's going to be more ploppable than pourable. There we go. Just give it another tap down, and then we will add in some more titanium dioxide. Okay, now we're gonna add in 2 more teaspoons of titanium dioxide. And then whisk that again. It is definitely getting thicker and thicker as we go here. And just pouring in the last of our titanium dioxide there. I think a whisk is gonna work better. Scraped out, and I got the soap tap down. So now we're just going to pull it to the side here. Make a little mound. This is the fun part, playing with the soap. Alright, that looks good there. Then I'm gonna put some lavender buds down the side here, but what we're gonna try that is a little different is I'm gonna try spritzing right here with witch hazel to see if that helps with the lavender buds not getting as brown. One of the soaping forums I'm in, someone mentioned trying that, so we're gonna give that a go. So I'm gonna give it a quick spritz right here with witch hazel, and then we'll add our buds. Just push those down a little bit with a clean spatula. And of course, some of these will fall off when we go to cut it. All right, and then we will wait 24 to 48 hours, and then we will be back to cut. And we are back to cut my ombre lavender soap. I really like how the layers turned out in this. I had already cut the end piece off so I could see the different colored layers. But I think that turned out really nice. You can definitely see how it gets darker as it goes up. And then the lavender buds on the top. And the scent has held really well. I really like the Lavender 4042 for its staying power in soap. It's one that doesn't really seem to fade very quickly over time. So, highly recommend. I've used the one from Brambleberry and from Wholesale Supplies Plus, and I've liked both of them. And I am not sure how the weather is where you are, but it is the 16th of February when I'm filming this, and I am in northern Kentucky, and we have just had oodles and oodles of snow over the last couple of weeks, much more than we've had in a winter in a very long time. Now I know we haven't had as much as some places, so I guess I should count myself lucky, but I'm definitely not used to this much snow. I've basically been ready for spring since probably Christmas. I like the cool weather up until Christmas, and then I'm basically done with it. But this soap has gotten me in the mood for spring, so now I'm looking forward to it even more. And there's just something about a lavender bar soap. It just gets you all relaxed and ready to go to sleep at night. It's just a great fragrance, or I guess essential oil. It's not a fragrance, but great scent. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in my next one.